All right, in Schoology, do not forget to go to courses. Go to your science course. On the right-hand side, under upcoming, you need to click on orbits. That's what we're working on today. So this is what you're going to be doing for the whole class period. The first thing you're going to be doing with your table mates is reading and annotating the first 4 paragraphs under the heading Earth's Revolution on workbook page 61. So only the first 4 under Earth's revolution. Okay, then we're going to group. So here is the 4 paragraphs that you're reading and annotating. Then you're going to share what you annotated or what gist you wrote so that you can let everybody know that you did indeed read about Earth's revolution. Then you're going to watch by yourself using the headphones Planets Orbit the Sun video. Well, at the end of the video, you must answer some questions on loose leaf and turn into the class's tray. So if you need loose leaf, I have some on the counter. So just stand up and go get it yourself. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to create a model of Earth's orbit or a sketch of Earth's orbit. So again, you're going to need loose leaf paper. So if you need some, go stand up when you get to this part and grab some loose leaf from the counter. So you're going to follow these explicit directions. You must follow the directions. Mrs. Talbot says you've been doing phenomenal in the flip, and flips are all about following directions. So you're going to draw an elliptical orbit. You may not know what that is right now, but I bet you find out by the end of this period. Then you're going to put the sun slightly off center within the orbit. You're going to make sure you label the sun, and yes, spelling counts. Based on the right or left side of your orbit, and that all depends on where you placed your sun, so don't copy your classmates, hint, hint, hint. Put a dot on the orbit where Earth would be at its perihelion. You may not know what that is, but you're going to know by the time you get to this. And make sure you're labeling it perihelion. Spelling and capitalization counts. Then based on that right or left side of your orbit, and remember, it depends where you placed your sun. Don't copy those classmates. Put another dot on the orbit where Earth would be at its aphelion. Okay? Label the aphelion. Spelling and capitalization counts. So then once you've got your sketch, everything's labeled and drawn in the proper place, you're going to submit assignment in the upper right-hand corner. But first you must look at your Earth's orbit sketch. Okay? Did you write dark enough that I'm going to be able to read it when you take your picture? Because if you're one of those light writers, you've got to start darkening it up. Make sure you actually can read all your labels, because if I can't read it, and I'm not going to spend too much time trying, you're not going to get any credit. And then make sure your orbit takes up most of the picture. I don't want to see pictures of your workbook, the tabletop, only your sketch. Okay? So here's a video if you can't remember how to submit an assignment on Schoology. So to submit your sketch of Earth's orbit, you're going to hit Submit Assignment. All right, it's that little button that's between upload and create, means file. All right, and then you're going to have the option that we've seen before. I'm on my computer, so that's why it's different. You're going to say take picture. All right, stand up to take the picture, and make sure when you take the picture you look, can you read everything? Because if I can't read it, you don't get credit for it. So it needs to be a nice clear picture where you wrote dark enough that I can read it, and then hit submit. Okay? Make sure I get a good report from the substitute so that none of you had to spend some recess with me, but also so that you are learning how orbits affect our Earth's revolution, because that's where we're going next. And yes, you will be making a video. So if you're wasting my class period now, I'm not going to let you make the video. So make sure I get a good report. Good luck!